How to clear Epic Games Launcher cache. Hey guys, this is Lucy and let's get to the video right away. So first, make sure that your Epic Games Launcher is closed everywhere. So go to Task Manager and check if there are any Epic Games and click on End Task. So after you've done this, you need to run a command here and type %local app data % and click on enter. It will take you to this file. So you need to go to Epic Games Launcher and go to saved. After that, go to web cache and delete the cache. This will delete your cache. But if it still is showing errors, then you just remove this wave cache folder. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.